Welcome to the Excel Driving School online learning system. Please be aware that this system is not designed to replace a licensed driver's education course. No completion certificates or permits will be issued at the completion of the online course. It is merely a supplement to our licensed courses, which occur only at Excel Driving School locations. The following tutorial will show you how to use this system, how to navigate through the courses, and will illustrate some of the most important features. You can begin by clicking on one of the courses on the main page, or by clicking on the login link at the top right of the page. Once you have clicked one of those links, you will be taken to the login/registration page. If you are given a login ID and password, you can log in here, or you can register as a guest by clicking the link below. Most courses on this site require an enrollment key or password in order to enter the course. This enrollment key will be given to you by your classroom instructor or by other Excel Driving School personnel. If you do not have an enrollment key, please ask your instructor. Enrollment in the online learning system is generally free for Excel students, but there are charges for those that are not currently registered in an Excel Driving School course. Once you have enrolled in a course, you will be taken to the main course page. The main page is divided into 3 sections. The left pane displays general course information and categories, while the right pane provides news and upcoming events that our students may be interested in. The main central window contains an outline of the course you are currently enrolled in. At the top of the course is another news section, this one dedicated to news about this course. To begin a course, simply click on the first topic in the course and proceed from there. Optionally, you may click on any topic that interests you, but be aware that certain topics may be restricted from your view until you have completed other parts of the course, or until you have passed certain requirements such as tests or quizzes. Each course consists of several different types of activities, lessons, videos, slideshows, and tests and quizzes. The type of activity is generally included in the name, such as Introduction to Science Video, or Michigan Driver's License Information Lesson. Please note that activities that have information specific to the state of Michigan will have the MICH prefix in parentheses before the activity name. Be sure not to skip these activities, as they may have information that is different from the main lesson, and which will be important to passing the Michigan written test. Most activities in our classes include audio files that read any text you see on the screen, if desired. Many of these files start automatically, but if they don't, simply click on one of the media links and the file will start. If you prefer to read the content yourself, simply click the stop button on the media player. Once you have started an activity, you can continue to navigate through the course in several ways. The easiest way is to use the navigation section at the very top right of each page. Here you will notice 2 navigation arrows and a jump to menu. The left arrow will take you to the previous activity in the course. Please note that this is different from the back button in your browser, as it does not necessarily take you to the previous page you viewed, but rather to the specific activity in the course which directly precedes the current activity. Likewise, the right arrow directs you to the next activity in the course. Please note that this button is different from the next page button that you will find in some lessons. Some lessons have multiple pages which cannot be accessed from the right arrow, but only from the next page button inside the lesson itself. In between the 2 arrow buttons is the jump to menu. This drop-down menu allows you to jump directly to any activity in the course to which you are allowed access. Again, please be aware that certain topics may be restricted from your view until you have completed other parts of the course, or until you have passed certain requirements such as tests or quizzes. Let's take a look at the lessons themselves. There are actually several different types of lessons, but the one shown is probably the most common. It is a multiple-page lesson, with the page names displayed on the left or in a media file link on the right. Proceed through the pages in order. using either the next page button or the links. The following is a presentation, or slideshow lesson. In this type of lesson, the audio or video file plays automatically and the slides are played in sync to the audio. Simply follow along with the presentation, or you can turn off the audio using the player to the left of the slides. You can also increase or decrease the size of the slides here, and use the navigation buttons to jump to specific slides. When you jump to other slides, the audio or video file will automatically jump to the section that pertains to the displayed slide.